In this question, we're going to look at finding the volume and then the surface area of a cylinder. So the cylinder shown here has a radius on the top of 4 and a height of 7. So to start with, we're going to find the volume. So a formula for volume of a cylinder looks like this. Volume equals pi times the radius squared times by the height. Notice pi r squared is actually the formula for the area of the circle on the top, and then times by the height. So once we use the values for this one, we're going to end up using pi times 4 squared times 7. 4 squared is 16 times 7. Now because we're using pi, we can use a calculator to look this up. That's going to give us a value of approximately 317.7. So I haven't given units for this cylinder. If there were units, they would be cubic units. So that's the volume of this cylinder. Now we're going to look at working out the surface area. So to work out the surface area of this, we need to first work out the area of the top, and therefore also the bottom, because they're going to be the same. So the area of the top is going to be pi r squared, the same as the area for a circle. So this here is going to be pi times 4 squared, which is going to give us 50.2. That's the area of the top. Now the area of the space that is wrapping around the circle is going to be, if we were to unfold that, that would look like a rectangle. With this length here being 7, the same as the height, and this length on the top being what would wrap around the circle, which would be the same as the circumference. And the formula for the circumference is pi times the diameter. So in this case, the diameter being double the radius is 8. So to find out the area of this face, the area of the side is going to be the height times pi d. And in this particular question, that would be 7 times pi times 8. Using a calculator again, that's going to give us a value of 175.8. So now that we've got our two values for the top and the side, we now need to add them together. But we have to remember that the area total is going to be double the area on the top, because we also have the bottom to worry about. And then we only have this one side wrapping around, so that is going to be just that added on. Using our calculator again, to give a final area of 276.2. And if this question had units, they would be square